Hey guys, it's Jacob, and today I'm gonna unbox um, the PlayStation Vita, and it's pre-owned from GameStop, so it's not really an unboxing, but it's an unboxing to me. So, what you get in it is you get the charger, looks like this. You get the wall adapter, looks like this. Like that. And then you also get, oh wait, that's like the battery pack, I think. And then you get the charger itself, which is here. This is what it looks like. And then you get the Vita, which is this. This is what it looks like. It says PlayStation Vita, and on the back, or on the front, you have your arrow controls, and then you have, I think that's the, well, these two little things. I forgot what they're called, but C-stick, I believe they're called. And then you have the other keys here. Up here you have your volume rockers, up and down. I believe this thing, I believe it opens up. But, yep. Here you have the opener for the games. That opens up. And then this, I think, is a memory card, I believe. Yep. Oh no, this one's the, oops, can you see that? That's the charger port. You got your power button, L button, and R, and then on the bottom you have the USB that can be plugged in. Then you have a headphone jack, and that's about it as I see. So, hang on. Yep. Oh, sorry. I was trying to figure something out. But other than that, I think... Actually, I think that might be the charger. I have no idea. I have to figure this out first. Before I actually... Because I don't know much about the Vita. I've never had it. I've just seen, like, people talk about it. So, if I'm wrong, you can tell me in the comment section below what the port is, but I will figure it out. So, hang on a second. Hopefully I don't put this in wrong. I believe that's the charger, but I could be wrong. Yeah. So that is the charger right here. That's the charger port. I'm not sure what this is. I think that might be a game set. I have no idea what this one is. But yeah, that's the PS Vita unboxing. Not very long, but yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.